How's it going, everybody? This is Ben back with you from Twin City Harley-Davidson, North and Blaine, Minnesota. I'm here to show you one of the bad bikes we just had roll out of the back. Okay, although you're standing here on January 30th outside looking at a lowrider ST, I want to point out a couple critical things about this. Now, you may be able to see already that it's got a couple things hanging on the side of this that isn't the norm to be on here, right? So what we did is roll this thing in the back. We had one of our master techs put in not only the Rockford Fosgate soundbar into this thing, which is crisp, clear sound, and is plenty loud enough to hear when you're rolling down the road full speed, right? But in addition, we added the new Harley-Davidson O-Lean suspension to this thing. And not only that rear monoshock, which of course has that piggyback reservoir, as well as the quick adjust for the dampening, okay? But we put in the new O-Lean front suspension into this thing. So not only do you have the inverted front forks to give you that super positive and responsive handling and steering, but now you have the exceptional quality of the O-Lean suspension to back the rest of the bike, right? So this thing is just out of this world phenomenal. It gives you some really cool features on here that you're not used to seeing on any of the front inserts, okay? This actually has a variable adjustment on the top end caps where you can change the dampening of this front end, okay? So there's one for each side, so you got full control over the suspension of this motorcycle so that you can precisely set it to exactly how you want to ride, your ride quality, your ride comfort, a passenger, some luggage, whatever. It's quick, it's easy to change. So for any riding style or any type of riding that you may want to do in that day, that hour, that minute, this thing is going to cover all of your needs. So we're talking a 2024 lowrider ST in the Billiard Gray with a Rockford Fosgate soundbar, with the O-Lean suspension in the rear, as well as the O-Lean suspension in the front. And of course, for the rear, it has that piggyback and the quick adjust dampening. It's so easy to use. It's phenomenal. Of course, Billiard Gray, who doesn't love this color on here, man? It really makes that bronze pop. Of course, they retained all of the good stuff that we love about it, right? We got those bronze wheels. We got the bronze badging. We got the bronze on the 117. Yes, 117 Milwaukee 8, okay? Everything ties this bike together phenomenally. And we gave you that really big jump start on building one of the best performance softails that you can have, right? So this thing's gonna get you through everything, whether you wanna cruise around the city and hit the block by block, or that you wanna get out there and you wanna hit mile by mile or 1,000 mile by 1,000 mile. This thing is gonna have everything you need to get out there and do that. We left a little bit for you to reimagine and decide on your own, right? If you wanna throw a couple accessories on here, we're gonna leave that up to your imagination. But the core, the big stuff, the monster issues, the stuff that we don't wanna wait to get back from service, right, to have installed, it is already present on this motorcycle, ready for you to come in here, jump in the saddle, and fly down the road. And normally on January 30th, of course, I would not be telling you to go out and ride, but we got no snow. We got 50-degree weather coming on Friday, man. It is the primo time for riding season to start early this year. So get your jump start on a bike of your dreams today. Come see me, Ben, at Twin City Harley-Davidson North, or give us a call and ask for any one of my guys in the sales department, and we will get you rolling today. So I appreciate you spending a little bit of time with me today, checking out this awesome lowrider ST. Come on in before it gets off the floor, because you're gonna wanna see it, you're gonna wanna sit on it, you're gonna wanna feel it. It's absolutely amazing, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. Come see us today. Thanks again for spending a little bit of time with me. Again, this is Ben from Twin City Harley-Davidson North and Blaine. We'll see you soon.